Hello everyone. Today we're going to be making Jus Rol pain au chocolat in an air fryer. Now, just please bear in mind this is my interpretation. This is how I've cooked them. This is how I like them. Other people are going to be different, of course, with things like cooking temperatures, how long you want to leave them in there for. But this is what I found was best for me. So as you can see, we're just rolling them out now, getting them all ready, and then you just put the chocolate at either end. You probably know all this. Roll them into the middle, and then, someone was lucky there, they got a bit of extra chocolate. So roll them up, so they meet into the middle, place them into the air fryer. Now you give them a little bit of room, because obviously these do puff up quite a bit, and they will tend to stick together. So just give them a little bit of room, and then pop them into your air fryer. Now, what I done here was I put them on air fry rather than bake. Don't ask me why. It's I'm still getting used to it. I'm still playing with this machine, so I could have put them on bake maybe, but I chose air fry, and I've done it for 180, and I started them off at 5 minutes. So yeah, I mean this air fryer, we got this one from QVC. It's a Cook's Essentials one, and we got it for the 60-day trial. So I thought, well, we'll give it a go, see how we get on with it, and take it from there. So as you can see there, they're cooking quite nicely, and this one's got a countdown on it as well. As you can see, they're nicely done, but what I found was I did some other ones. I did some cinnamon ones, and I found that I did need to sort of turn them over. You won't need to do it as long this time. I mean, that was 5 minutes on this side, so what I did here was I just turned them over, and then I put them in for another 2 minutes. Yeah, I think it was 2 minutes, and they were, well, cooked to perfection. And there you go, lovely. As I say, other people might want to keep them in a bit longer, a bit more crispy, but these were really nice. The only thing I was worried about with doing them for too long is the chocolate melting and going all inside the air fryer, whereas this, they kept intact actually, and they look quite nice, as you see. So yeah, that's Jus Rol pain au chocolat. Just give them a go. Thanks for watching.